Yoga is a holistic practice that combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation to enhance overall well-being. Here are 5 yoga poses to help improve your strength and stamina.
Place your palms down. From here, step back into plank. Make sure the weight is on the toes and you're not sending your weight into your heels this way. Again, you're going to try to tip the weight forward. Come on to your tippy toes and back. Come on to the tippy toes and back. On to the tippy toes and back. Last one. Tippy toes, hold 1, 2, 3. Knees down. Let's take a child's pose here. Relax. Relax your shoulders. Release. Just rotate the wrists gently. And very gently, you're going to roll up. Good. From here, step your right leg forward. Spin the back heel down into a 10 o'clock and lift up for warrior 1. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Open your arms out wide for Virabhadrasana B, warrior 2. Look ahead of your right middle finger. Draw the navel in and up and tuck the tailbone under. Bend the right knee nice and low and stay for 3, 2, 1. So we're going to start standing. Step to the top of your mat. Start with your feet hip width apart. You can use blocks if you need for support. As you inhale, you're going to lift your arms up, join your palms above the head. Exhale, you swan dive down to the mat. Okay? From here, you're going to start by bending the knees first, getting your thighs on your belly and straightening. We do this 2 more times. Bend the knees, thigh parallel to the floor and straighten the knees. Keep the spine long, don't round your back. So use blocks. 1 more time. Inhale, you're going to bend the knees, sink your hip and then you're just going to lift your arms parallel to the mat this way. Hold it here for 3, for 2 and 1. Exhale, fingertips down, straighten the knee, fold forward for a second. 1 more time. Inhale, bend the knees. This time you swing your arms up, go all the way up into Utkatasana for 3, for 2, 1.
Boat pose or Navasana. For this, we will start by sitting in this L-sit position where your legs are straight out in front of you, feet are together, your hands are by your side and your back is nice and straight. From here, slowly bend your knees. Now lift your feet up, making sure your back is straight. And now slowly straighten your arms, place them next to your knees. Hold this posture for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 9 and 10. Relax. Slowly bring the legs down. Bring the arms down. Shake your legs a little and relax.
Keep your knees bent. Place your feet on the mat, hip width apart. Arms can be by the sides of the body. From here, as you inhale, you're going to lift your hips up, squeeze the glutes, engage the butt. Exhale, slowly come back down. Inhale, lift up. Setu Bandhasana. You can do this 5 to 8 times. And on the last time, hold for 5 to 8 breaths. Inhale, lift up. If very comfortable, interlock the fingers underneath the back. Keep lifting your hips up. Hold. Breathe. Release the hand. Exhale and slowly come back down to the mat.